Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be making a Che cover, but I wanna make something different. So I wanna kinda cater towards his style of, you know, the grunge kind of gory aesthetic. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm on Pinterest here right now and I already have a few pins here. So this is kinda how I gather my inspiration. I just go through like different pins, like here I'll just scroll down, see if I could, you know, get something. So yeah, I just kind of like I'm kind of going for the style or the cover, like the colors is what really catches me here with these. And yeah, I'm gonna try and find some more because they're not really like the best. So the recording crashed and you know, I don't think any of it's saved. So I'm gonna have to break it all back down, just get straight back into it. So I didn't really do much, but shit. I wanna kind of start again. So I'm gonna just get this image, AI fill this shit out. Now this is what crashed the fucking recording. So alright, so I just cut it out, got the, you know, the fill and all. We are going to just, you feel me? But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. So I'm just gonna freestyle this. Probably just lock in. I probably won't speak much, but shit. Get the, what is this called? What was it? Polygonal lasso tool. Just do that real quick. Like for this kind of style, you don't really have to be perfect with it. Like, so yeah, I got his dreads right here. Could just like do some perspective shit with it. So yeah, I'm just building the base right now. Just trying to get like some shit going, get some ideas. So yeah, I'm already getting this kind of look, this kind of grunge look, and I think it will look even better. Like, I'm not really a fan of the crazy white here, but I guess it kind of works. So it's already getting the pixelated effect, which I am enjoying. I am liking this so far. Now, yeah, no, I'm liking this. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm liking it. So, yeah, no, I prefer like that. So, I'm just doing even more with this. Like, put this maybe horizontal, maybe 90 degrees. Just have it like right there without that. Yeah, like that. I think we might have something. Got a horizontally. Then this is kind of insane. I'm not really sure what's going on, but it's kind of like this crazy. This might be OD. I'm not really sure. Like, I mean, it matches up with what, you know, the kind of inspo was with this, I guess. I'm just trying to like figure this shit out, cause like I just seen the, you know, inspiration. I'm kind of like trying to take some shit, like, you know, I'm trying to do some shit, get this, and then maybe put a blur on it. Fuck it, like do some crazy blur and put the like lighting. I mean, this is fire already. I like this, but I'm definitely gonna scale it down like a lot, like 500 pixels, then scale it back up. I'm gonna see what that looks like, or even like 300. It's like a profile picture. Like, hey, oh shit, I need to render this out. All right, then we bring it back in. Oh, that might be it. That might low-key be it. Oh, I really like that. Oh shit, hold on. Let me see if I wanna add this kind of RGB or this like CRT effect that, you know, I do sometimes. Like, put that to like maybe 200. Change this to, damn, my eyes. Damn. I think, well, obviously this looks better, but I think the whole aesthetic with the, this looks fire. I like this. Just for the style, just for the aesthetic, I kind of fuck with it. Maybe for Che, maybe this could be a cover. Maybe I could see this as a cover, and like even just to match even more, just like distort the fucking thing, just to match it a bit more. Yo, I like this. And then even, do I have the inspo on my, I might have it. We could do some text as well, like this. I was thinking about doing text like this, so we could do like J. Legendary font. Yeah. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Still going up though. I don't know what this is. I mean, I kind of went for a new kind of effect, new kind of style. I think I did alright. I think I did fine.